Writing is rewriting. This is true. It takes some rewriting to get a story to its final stage. So, don't try to get your story right in the first draft. First draft is just you hammering out your story, roughly putting your ideas together on pages. Don't worry about structure, grammar, pacing, etc. when you are writing the first draft. All that will be taken care of in rewriting. Put your story down first. See what works and what doesn't. Then correct, polish, and improve your story as you rewrite. After writing your first draft, take some days off. When you come back, sit and read your entire script without making any changes, taking notes, or correcting anything. Just read it with a fresh eye. While reading, check if the story connects, if the plots work. Are there any loose ends you forgot to tie up? What about plot holes? Are there any in your script? How did your characters grow in the story? Did they grow at all? Is the pacing too fast? Is it too slow? Or is it balanced? What about suspense? After reading and pondering your story, start rewriting. If you are not using a screenwriting app, during rewriting, check to make sure you got the formatting right. Don't get lazy and pretend that formatting doesn't matter. It matters a lot. Do not be afraid to kill any part or character or scenes that doesn't add to the story. Any scene that doesn't move your story forward or reveal information about your characters doesn't belong in your story. Seek other people's opinion. Give your script to friends, family, or fellow writers you trust to read and give you their opinions. Get some friends to sit down and read the story out loud with you so you can hear what the dialogue sounds like. If you do not have any screenwriter friends, join an online screenwriting community. Talentville is a screenwriting community where you upload your scripts and have other screenwriters read and review your scripts. Online communities are good ways to get unbiased opinions about your scripts. But I must be honest with you here. Those places are not for the faint-hearted. Before you upload your scripts to those forums, brace yourself. Some reviewers can be very harsh. Don't let their harsh words kill your spirits. Take only what you need and discard the rest. After rewriting comes the polishing. This is where you fix typos, tighten your prose by cutting out unnecessary words, make your description more vivid by using action verbs, change any dialogue that is not working, shorten the length of your dialogue or increase it to manipulate the pacing, and add subtext to elevate your dialogue. Polishing is where you work on the script to make it look and read like the work of a professional. Check the formatting to make sure it's right. Rewriting will last forever if you don't know when to stop. There's always that temptation to change something each time you open your script. Resist it. When you are done, be done.